Hello, this is a question that we have here. So this question is falling under light. Specifically, it's under refractive index. The question is saying, a ray of light travels from air into water at an angle of incidence. You're given an angle of incidence 60 degrees. So angle of incidence, you're given that it is what? 60 degrees. Find the angle of refraction. You want to find the angle of refraction. If refractive index of water is this, you are given that the refractive index is that. Which formula are you going to use? The formula that we use is this one. This is the formula we use. I believe we know this formula. This is a formula that we use. So we are given, this is refractive index. We are given the refractive index. It is 1.33, which is equal to, which other thing are you given? You are given what? Angle of incidence. So I'm going to say sine what? Sine 60 over what? Sine. This is what you're going to sine what? Sine r, because you want to find the angle of refraction. So here you say over 1, then you cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, what you're going to have? You're going to have 1.33, which is equal to 1.33 sine r. Sine r is equal to what? Is equal to sine 60. This is what we are going to have. So with this now, we try to evaluate this. We try to expand this part. So we say, okay, here we divide by 1.33, we evaluate or rather simplify. Even here 1.33, so that this and that can be cancelled. So when we cancel that, what we are going to have, so let me lab this part, hope you've written. So if you cancel that, we are going to have sine r is equal to, so what is sine 60 divide 1.33? Sine 60 divide 1.33. The answer that you are getting to 2 decimal places should be 0.65. So when you reach here, the moment you just reach here, what you need to do is you take this to the other side of the equation. You take this to the other side of the equation. So that you just remain with the r here that you want to find. So you say r is equal to. So when this sign goes to the other side of the equation, it becomes sine inverse. Sine power -1 there of 0.65 like this. So now r is now equal to what? On your calculator, how do you press sine inverse? Go on shift. Say shift, then go to sine. You're going to see an inverse on top, then 0.65. When you punch that on your calculator, you are going to get 40.6 somewhere there. Such that if you round off to the nearest whole number, you're going to get 41 degrees. So this is the answer that you find. So these are things that you need to do. These are procedures that should be put into consideration. Just like this, you've answered the question. So this is what we need to do. These are procedures that should be done. Thank you so much.